Alright, we are 89 miles from Panama. I bet this is much of that stormy stuff to plow in now. We're just before Dog Island. Heading west. On 98. Right on the water. St. James. Where's St. James? Oh, look at that. Well, I bet that thing gets hell in the storms. There's like no cars there anyway. The front end might be ripped off. Bunch of houses and stills. Usually don't see that except we're down in Cedar Key. It's kind of Spanish style house. There's some foreign stills. They don't look like people are really living in them. I don't see any cars. There's one for sale. Another one for sale. That looks like a lot. Big place with gate. Just making sure. Here. Look at that big tall thing they put on stills. Holy heck. That would be pretty scary if a storm comes through because you have a giant baseball in his yard. There's a bunch of stuff that's been gutted out. I know these were hit hard in that hurricane. St. James Day Golf Resort. That little waterfall thing going up. There's nobody in that one house on stills. That is absolutely vacant. Well, that doesn't look like they're empty. But we're not seeing the bad side of it. The front side's going to be all trashed up from the last storm. This may not have anything in the front. It's really going to take a while to repair a lot of stuff. I imagine a lot of people took the insurance and just put it up for sale, get rid of it. Forget it, we're done. Can't keep repairing all this stuff. I mean, yeah, it was a fluke that one that strong came in because lower Florida, Orlando and lower usually get hit terrible hard. But this one storm was really a freak. It's pretty down here. It's not real city. It's very it's an old-timey gas station. A lot of them for sale. Look at that. It's like every other one's for sale. $45. Must be a water generator to pump water. We must still have water problems down here. Our friends in Panama had a terrible time trying to get water. They got all their utilities. Their house wasn't damaged too bad, but it took like a month or two to get water in because the city didn't think the water was quite safe to turn it on. Lanark Village Golf Club. We saw somebody a while back riding a horse. You don't see that too often nowadays. Oh, look at that big house. Gee whiz. There's a little gas station. $2.54 in gas. No, I'm not stopping there. American Legion. The Pearl Restaurant. Is that even called?
No.
Yeah. I'm thinking not either. Look at all these properties for sale. Waterfront land. Look at that gigantic house up on stilts back there. Look at that. Jeez. House for sale. Got everything. It's like every other one, almost every single house is for sale. Yeah. I just drove by that one, it had all the windows open. I bet that one was trashed. There's a trailer over there that didn't even get touched. There's a house back there, looked like it's from the 50s or 60s. Pretty good. California Street. Arizona Street. There's a Ho-Hum RV Park. Makes me wonder if they're putting those houses on stilts. It must, and so many of them are on stilts that they must have had reoccurring rising water a lot. It's kind of like we warned you. Franklin Correctional Station says big jail over here. Enjoying the scenery. Sometimes I feel like I'm making a driver. It's really pretty down here. You're down there bunching that puppy.
Sorry, I was commenting on the pinball machine comments.
Oh, cool. What's this? About 5 miles over the speed. That might be exactly what I think it is. I think it is, I think it's not. There's people there. Pulling some really deep stuff. Look at that tree ripped right off. Wham! Jeez. I mean, that took a big rip. Like a giant standing above it, just ripped it right up. This is good because there's a lot of foliage. It pulls the ground down. It really does. A lot of baby palms. Which could be sugar cane. There's still some of the old Florida pines. Lonsley Farm. Is that lights? It looks like bells, but it's some old lights. GPS is a trick. It said 45 back there. GPS saying 55, trying to get me to take it. See, 45 here. It's still saying 55 on this GPS. It just updated it a couple days ago, too. Good little John. Carabel, Florida. There's another little road right in the water. That big, like a private road to this houses. There's Gibson Inn. They have one at Fort Walton too. It's a family thing. Here's what's left of the cemetery. Okay, now we're in Carabel. It says Carabel Get Hooked. So they're really trying to promote this little town, but it looks like everybody's leaving. Everything's for sale. There's basically nothing down here as far as businesses goes, right? Limited. The thing about that is when you go shopping, you have to go somewhere far. Stock up big time. It's not like you can do your groceries in a push. And then, because there's no place to eat out, and everything here's $1 general. I mean, this looks fairly new. I think it's been on the hotel. It looks like it's stuff for sale. Seafood market. Stock up a bunch of stuff so that you have it in the house because there's nothing here. And I imagine a lot of this stuff closes at night. It looks like a new building here. This is something that looks like a dollar store going out of business. Carabel.